Module 5, Teaching Mathematics, Introduction of Division to Young Learners. Division can be introduced in its most basic form at the earliest opportunity so that children can begin to familiarize themselves with this key operation. As children handle money, share items between friends and cut food into portions, they are beginning to build up their division and multiplication skills as a part of their everyday life to utilize these skills in the wider world. There are some simple ways teachers can use to introduce children to the world of division. 1. We can present division as a way to share. It is easier for kids to understand division if they can imagine a set of items being divided equally amongst a group. While 10 divided by 5 seem confusing, giving out 10 cookies to 5 friends makes it seem simple. In a classroom setting, students can work in groups to divide the number of items, such as candies or plastic bears, evenly among themselves. 2. Explain how we can divide items into smaller, equal groups. Ask your students to divide the same larger number into smaller groups of various sizes. You can use manipulatives, pictures of items, or a worksheet. This helps them get a better grasp of how basic division works. 3. Incorporate the symbols used for division problems. Always remember to talk about both the division sign and the / as a way to signify division. For example, 10/5 can be written like 10 the /5. 4. Explain that division is the opposite of multiplication. If your student already knows about multiplication, this is a good scaffolding to build on. We can grab a multiplication chart and show them how the times tables are worked backwards using division. For example, go through the 5 time tables, starting at 5 times 10 equals 50. You can show your student that 50/10 equals 5. Then go to 5 times 9 equals 45, and explains that 45/9 equals 5. Count until you complete the timetable. 5. Begin dividing by numbers, starting with 1 up to 10. Provide your student with a few simple math problems consisting of numbers that divide evenly. Remind them that division effectively creates smaller groups out of a larger sum. You can work backwards from multiplication tables. For example, when dividing by 3, the math problems would include 3/3, 6/3, 90/3, 12/3, 15/3, etc. 6. Solidify the concepts with some worksheets. You can download or make your own worksheets with any context, like dividing a certain number of pizzas for a party. Once students grasp the idea of the division of even numbers, you can continue with division with remainders.